Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing hair combo tutorials. As I said, I gave a poll for you guys to vote which ones you would like, and most people wanted hair combos, so I'm just gonna do that. But I also had makeup tutorials too, check that out. And if you're struggling to make hair combos in rounds, and if you're just looking for cute hair combos, this is the place. So I'll be giving you guys some of my favorite hair combos with the hex codes as well, so it's easy for you guys to save the hair combos for the rounds. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you want some more videos, maybe like gameplay videos, or anything that you would like to see me do as a long form video, please let me know, because I would love to do them and I just don't have ideas of what to do. So just let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.